Hi everyone, my name is JM O Villanueva, and today I'm going to talk about if-else statements in Python. If-else statements are one of the fundamental tools in programming that help us make decisions in our code. In this short video, I'll explain what if-else statements are. I will show you a simple example and discuss a common mistake beginners make. So, what is an if-else statement? An if-else statement allows your program to make decisions based on conditions. The if part checks a condition, and if it's true, the code inside the if block runs. If the condition is false, the code inside the else block executes. This helps our programs react differently depending on different inputs. So now, I will show you a quick example in Python on how if-else statements work. Here, the program asks the user for their age. If the age is 18 or above, it prints you are an adult. Otherwise, it will print you are a minor. This is a simple way to control the program's behavior depending on user input. So here is another example using if-else statements using for loop. A for loop allows us to iterate over a sequence, like a list of numbers. The if-else inside the loop lets us check a condition for each item. This is powerful because it makes our programs dynamic and responsive. So in this example, we have a list numbers from 1 to 5. The for loop goes through each number one by one. Inside the loop, the if statement checks if the number is divisible by 2. If yes, it prints that the number is even, otherwise it prints that it's odd. Notice the indentation. The code inside for loop and if-else block is indented. In Python, indentation is not just readability. It tells Python which line belongs to which block. If we forget it, the program will throw an indentation error. A common mistake beginners make is forgetting to use proper indentation. Python uses indentation to understand which code belongs to the if or else block. Without correct indentation, your code will give an error. So here's an example of wrong indentation. This code will not run because Python cannot tell which lines belong to the for loop or the if-else block. Proper indentation solves this issue and makes your code readable and functional. So to summarize, if-else statements help programs make decisions based on conditions. They are easy to use but powerful, especially when combined with other Python concepts. Remember to always check your conditions and indent your code properly. Mastering if-else statements is a stepping stone toward writing more complex Python programs like loops and functions. So, thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you understand Python decisions a bit better.